Class, some 30% of syllabus got deleted in view of COVID-19 pandemic. So what is that deleted portion? Just I'll tell you, just make a note. Okay, so this is a deleted syllabus. Suppose in chapter 3, that means see, circles, system of circles is not deleted, total exercises are there. So the chapter 3, parabola. So in parabola, equation of tangent and equation of normal, a part of topic is deleted, not the complete chapter. So in that, equation of tangent and equation of normal at a point on parabola is deleted. So this is parabola, and the next chapter is ellipse. So in ellipse also only a part is deleted. So that is also equation of tangent and equation of normal at a point is deleted. And hyperbola is also the same thing, the equation of tangent and normal on hyperbola. And here it is clearly mentioned that we have only one exercise in hyperbola, that is exercise 5a. Exercise 5a, that section 2 completely deleted. From section 2 onwards it is totally deleted. So parabola, see, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, these three comes under conic sections. So in conic sections, equation of tangent and normal, equation of tangent and normal in all the three chapters are deleted. Okay. In hyperbola we have only one exercise, exercise 5a. So in that exercise 5a, from second bit onwards it is totally deleted. And integration, the next topic is integration, which is very very important. So in integration only this integration by parts, that is integration by parts exercise 6.2, it is deleted. Only a part of exercise is deleted. And again integration using partial fractions, it is maybe fifth exercise like that, E exercise. So integration partial fractions, and the reduction formula is the last exercise in integration. So this is deleted. Okay, so integration by parts is a complete exercise. It is a third exercise in integration chapter, that is totally deleted. And integration using partial fractions, that is also deleted. And the reduction formula, which is in a last exercise, that is totally deleted. Okay, now next chapter is 7th chapter, definite integrals. In definite integrals, exercise 7b, the section 2 is totally deleted. And in section 2 maybe we have 8 to 15 problems. These things are deleted in the portion. And then in definite integration also we have a reduction formula as we have in integration. So in integration also the reduction formula is deleted, and in definite integration also the reduction formula is deleted. Then after that, in definite integrals, applications of definite integrals related to areas, that exercise is also totally deleted. So these are the deleted in integration, definite integration. And the last chapter we have is differential equations. In differential equations we have only first two exercises, because homogeneous is one exercise totally deleted, third exercise is deleted, and non-homogeneous is deleted, linear differential equation is deleted. So these three topics are deleted. So we are only with two topics, two exercises in differential equations. Only two exercises are there in this differential equations. Remaining exercises in differential equations are deleted. Okay, so this is a deleted portion. So just please make a note.